Hi everybody, Jack Meligan with you again from the Plaintiffs MSA and Lien Solution. A couple of weeks ago I talked about 5 attorneys spread out across the United States. A couple of them were actually groups of attorneys, but there were 5 different instances where attorneys had had a less than satisfactory relationship with Medicare over a client's case. The one case was just bad information, which the attorney documented, but it's very instructive to not trust what you're hearing on the phone from a Medicare representative and document your file. The other 4 cases were all instances of individual lawyers or groups of lawyers that got into tremendous trouble or are still working their way through tremendous trouble regarding Medicare conditional payments. Now today, I wanted to come at you with another video because it's actually worse than we thought. We found 3 more attorneys that have had some pretty disastrous results regarding Medicare, MSAs, and conditional payments. And I wanted to tell you about these just so you understand the gravity of the situation. The first one is West Virginia lawyer Paul Harris. And he was recently held to be liable for his clients for not paying his clients conditional payments from the client's liability settlement within the 60-day time period. And the judge's ruling was that the attorney himself was going to be personally liable for the payment of those funds. Tough deal. The second one is Georgia trial lawyer Miles Lamar Gamage. And Miles actually surrendered his law license and was disbarred for receiving the seed money for a client's MSA and not promptly delivering the funds to the MSA. The third case, I'm reading off of some strips here, but the third case involves Wisconsin trial lawyer Michael Erspamer, who was suspended for 60 days for failing to properly provide timely representation for completing the setup of his client's Medicare set-aside. So, 3 new cases, 3 that we've discovered, 3 trial attorneys that have found out that Medicare issues can bite, and they can bite hard. We hope to have better news in the future, but when we find more of these, we will share them, just so that you know that Medicare has pivoted to liability. They are coming after liability cases. The pivot is slow. It's like a battleship, but they are indicating they're coming after liability cases. And their means of enforcement, among other things, is to come after you trial lawyers and make your life miserable. Hang in there, though. We've got solutions for you. This has been Jack Meligan for the Plaintiffs MSA and Lien Solution. Back at you again later in the next couple of weeks.